manual path. UcanNest offers an alternative to AutoPath called the manual path function. This allows the user to input the path direction and change it according to their liking. Every time you select a path or a curve for the path to follow, it will highlight the blue dotted lines as the paths which you can follow next. When you see this dialog saying combo loop, it means you have reached the end of your path and you cannot continue along the path, but it will complete whatever necessary for the path to finish. As everything is done in one motion, continuous cutting can be achieved without lifting the tool. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.